She is, but a flower.
Hi, I'm Ayana, aka Forex Flower, and this is my story. It all starts on December 15th, 1998 in Brandon, Florida, which is a little suburb outside of Tampa. And that's where I was born, literally the beginning of my story. I was born to two very loving parents. My dad was a military recruiter at the time, stationed in Tampa, and he has always instilled the value of structure and discipline into me. I didn't always understand the lessons he was trying to teach me, but now that I've gotten older, I definitely understand that structure and discipline are essential to having a successful life. And my mom, oh my gosh, my mom is my inspiration, and I'll probably make another video later explaining why, but she is a teacher. She's been a teacher for over 30 years, and being around a teacher as a parent, like, it wasn't just I had to do good in school. Instead, she taught the value of education to me, to where I strove and I pushed to get as much education as I could because I saw the value in it, because she taught me that value. In school, like, I always excelled at math and business classes. That's my strong suit. Words, not so much. Numbers, you got me. In high school, I joined an organization called DECA. DECA is a student-led organization that develops leaders and entrepreneurs in the fields of finance, management, marketing, and hospitality through competitive events and chapter events, or chapter projects like community service. If you're in DECA now, or if there's a DECA chapter at either your high school or college, I'd strongly encourage everyone join. Like, it's such a good organization. You get so many real life skills out of it. Like, why not do it? And as I alluded, in college, I continued DECA. I was vice president of my chapter freshman year, and we had two trips. One to the New York Engage conference in like November, and then another to ICDC, which is the International Career Development Conference, I think. Bless my heart if I don't know. Oh, or International Collegiate, whatever. ICDC, that's the big event of the year. And the year that we attended, it was in Anaheim, California. No, I have not been to Disneyland, but yes, I still had a whole bunch of fun. And as far as college, I currently attend Johnson & Wales University in Charlotte, North Carolina. I study corporate accounting and financial analysis. You know what you're thinking right now? It's probably a whole bunch of dollar signs, but accounting and financial analysis is so much more than that. To me, it's a numbers puzzle. You have all these numbers, all this data, and you're organizing it usually on a spreadsheet, and usually to balance zero if you're trying to make sure that what you spent matches what you brought in. And then if you have some negatives, you got to figure out what's going on there. And if you have some positives, you probably want to analyze why you're in profit or why you're in gains, so that you can either improve on the process or continue whatever it was that brought you the gains in the first place. And although I love to learn how to manage, hi kitty, how to manage and analyze my money, I also wanted to learn how to make it myself, because as a college student, you don't want to be broke forever. You don't want to wait until you graduate with your degree and a whole bunch of debt to finally be making the big bucks. So you've probably heard about stocks, and you might have heard about options if you're on the up and up. But right now, how many of you have heard about Forex? Like, what? What is that word? Forex is foreign currency exchange. And it's also the largest financial market. Like, it has a daily trading volume in the trillions. So when I heard about Forex, one, I was like, wow, I'm sleeping. And two, I was like, wow, how do I get involved? And I got involved through an organization called iMarkets Live. Now, iMarkets Live isn't necessarily a trading group. They are an educational platform that teaches you how to trade through videos, live trading sessions, and even a couple signals that, although signals are cool, you have to know like when to enter to actually profit from signals. So if you're out there and you've heard about Forex, you're trying to trade Forex, you've been using signal groups, but you're not seeing profits from those, more than likely your issue is entries, and more than likely iMarkets Live can help you. So feel free to message me for that. And now that I've joined Forex and iMarkets Live, I'm a full-time college student. I work part-time in the auto industry because I love cars, as you can see from my Porsches behind me. And I trade in between. Once I graduate, I hope to become a full-time trader, a lifelong learner because the process never stops, and a Porsche owner. That's basically my story, my introduction. Hopefully there's going to be so many more exciting things from this channel, and I'm so happy and grateful that you've joined me and you'll be along for this ride. Bye.